Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want your website links to look good when shared on social media, you need to open Graph Image. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add one in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for Webflow in your favorite browser. Then tap on the link, use your email address and password as we all know to log in. Then we're gonna go look for this pages icon, then basically pick whatever page you want, tap on settings or this gear icon. As for now, we're gonna go to open graph settings. So we're gonna scroll to the open graph. We have multiple options: general, access control, SEO settings, then open graph settings. The info that shows up when sharing content on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, or even Pinterest. So now you should go and upload an image. Basically set your image size, look for any best results basically on Google whatsoever, then add open graph title. So this is open graph title, basically this is our title for now. It's kind of optional but recommended. It depends on you. You can also add a description by customizing how your link appears on social platforms. All you're gonna do when you have done all of this, you're gonna come here, tap on save, then publish your website. And that's it, that's the main idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.